Hello friends, welcome to Indulgence. In this channel, we explore the delicious world of South Indian dish called idlis, and I have an interesting recipe for you today. Let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to explore Idli Manchurian. I don't know if this is a typical dish in restaurants, but I've never had it before. So I wanted to try it and see how it tastes. Chinese cuisine is one of my favorite cuisines, and Manchurian is one of my favorite dishes in that cuisine. So I wanted to try it out with idli. For this, I thought about this yesterday. So today morning when I made breakfast, I've already cooked some extra idlis for this video. So let's get into it. So here I have some idlis that I've already boiled. So we're going to cut into 4 pieces. And we are going to deep fry this for the Manchurian. So here's the oil heating up. This is the first time I'm using this equipment, so let's see. Let's test with just 4 pieces first. Now it's golden brown, so we will take it out. So here I have some chopped onions, bell peppers. Typically they use green bell peppers, but I had orange and yellow, so I'm using that for some pop of color, and some green onions for garnish. I also have ginger garlic paste here, and some cornstarch mixed in water for the gravy base. And I also have hot sauce, ketchup, and soy sauce for flavor. Alright, now we have finished frying the cut idlis, and we have chopped all the veggies needed for the Manchurian part. So let's go. So I have a cast iron pan here, and let's add some oil. The oil's hot, so let's add the chopped onion first. Let's add some salt to make it easy for the onions to cook. Add slightly less because we're going to add soy sauce, which also has salt content. Now that the onions are translucent, we will add the bell peppers. At this time, we can also add the ginger and garlic paste. Let it cook until the raw flavor of the garlic goes away. The garlic is cooked. Now we can add the topping. First is ketchup sauce.
soy sauce, and then the hot sauce. You can adjust the amount of hot sauce based on how much spicy you like. Now let's add the corn flour mixed with water. This determines how liquidy it is. Some people like dry, so you can just reduce the amount. Corn flour cooks really fast, so we will just keep on stirring. Once it thickens a little bit to gravy consistency, we can add the fried idlis. Mix it well so each piece gets a coating of the Manchurian sauce. I've always liked Chinese cuisine. I've always liked to own a wok, but since this is not a gas stove, I can't use a wok, but someday. And the last step is just to add garnishings. Here I have spring onions. You can also add coriander if you like. And that's it. Delicious Idli Manchurian is ready.
Alright, now it's time to do the tasting. It smells delicious. It looks great. Let's see how it tastes. This is really good. I didn't expect it to be this tasty. It's very similar to the vegetable Manchurian, and it's just made with idli. I would have liked a little more spice, but it's actually like mildly spicy. It came out really well. I was actually surprised when I took the first bite. You folks try it at home as well and let me know in the comment section how it came for you. And if you have any other tips to make it better, please comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like these. See you in the next episode. Bye.